Stop fucking making the sound anymore, and it just the blow off valve went off at $3,000 like it's supposed to. Holy fucking shit.
Of course. Maybe we should do karaoke tonight. Sure. I've been called the songbird of my generation.
It's like quarter throttle. I'm scared to go all the way to the floor, dude.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh, fuck. You.
You got like a midget in your cunt blowing air out?
That's like half throttle, dude. Holy fucking shit. I have a fucking SDI back. That's what it's supposed to do, just like fucking Nate's. Finally, he doesn't fucking have a better.
Fuck Nate. You lick my tape.
Oh my god, dude, you have no idea how fucking good of a night this is gonna be. I'm gonna be fucked up, and my car runs fucking good again.
Put holes in it, get it, I'm on a roll with it. Kind paper like a scroll with it. Like a toe, break down like a troll, no. Roll with it, I go so with it. I'm on this like a tennis match. Fucking bitches, only time I ever finish last. In my shows, everybody put their hands up like a smart kid in chemistry class. Goddamn, it's too easy. I ain't stopping no other option.
So happy, I love it.